Thanks for checking out this question from our daily live Zoom calls. Please like and subscribe to keep learning how we help the largest online community of self-directed retirement investors and entrepreneurs grow and control their retirement funds.
I have an IRA. Can I move it to a solo 401k? What are the benefits of doing that? So our response is yes, pre-tax IRA funds can be transferred to a solo 401k. Of course, as a side note, Roth IRA funds cannot be transferred to any type of 401k, including the solo 401k, because of the Roth IRA rules. But if you have pre-tax IRA funds, you can certainly transfer those over, and we'll handle that process. We'll guide you through that process, meaning we'll complete the transfer paperwork. Typically with an IRA, of course, it'll vary institution by institution. We've helped clients transfer over accounts from hundreds and hundreds of different institutions, right? Because there's so many places or someone might have an IRA. So we can leverage all that deep experience to make the process easy for you. Now, typically with an IRA, the IRA company will look for the transfer form to be prepared by the receiving institution. So in that case, we prepare our letter of acceptance. But sometimes they, in addition to have their own form that they look to be completed, in which case we would pre-fill that for you. So why, would you want to transfer money from an IRA to your solo 401k? Well, as you can see from our response, the benefit of doing so is to consolidate retirement funds, right? You might say, well, I've got an IRA at Fidelity. I want to, I'm self-employed. I want to set up a solo 401k. I'll have my solo 401k prepare the paperwork to open up brokerage accounts at Fidelity. So if you don't want to just have multiple accounts out there, then you can consolidate, right? And that brokerage account at Fidelity is going to have the same investment options you would have with your IRA at Fidelity. You might even have more, right? I mean, it will, in the sense that you'll be able to, of course, invest in alternative investments in addition to all the mutual funds, stocks, bonds, et cetera, that are available through the Fidelity account. So benefit number one is consolidation. Another benefit is just to be able to have more funds to invest through the solo 401k, right? If you have an IRA at Fidelity, sticking with that example, you're not going to be able to invest in real estate or crypto or private placements. But if you roll the money over to the solo 401k, that's provided by us, now you will be able to make those types of investments. Now you will be able to use that money to fund a loan, right? Because under the IRA rules, you can't take a loan from an IRA. But if you roll the IRA money over to the solo 401k, and now let's say you have $100,000 in your solo 401k or more, now you could borrow up to $50,000, because with the solo 401k loan, you can borrow up to 50% of the balance, not to exceed $50,000. So just taking advantage of the features of the plan.